A very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to continue with the same topic from gathering to growing food. But before that, we will do a quick recapitulation of the topics that we covered under this chapter. Students, we have already learned that agriculture changed the life of early humans. When they started doing cultivation, they started growing crops like wheat and barley. And when these crops ripened, the main task was to store these food grains. These food grains were stored as food or seeds in earthen pots, or they dug pits in their houses. They also started rearing the animal. Dog was the first animal was tamed by them. They also reared or herd goats, sheep, etc. These animals provided them milk, meat, and even carry load for them. I hope students till here everything is clear to you. Now we are going to move to the next topic. Next we are going to learn towards a settled life. As we have already learned that agriculture made the life of early humans a settled one. They started living in a small communities. For that, they made houses. These houses were made of mud, and at some places they also made pit houses. And in these pit houses, steps were leading into them. Archaeologists found the evidences of such pit houses at a site in Burzahom, that is in present-day Kashmir. Archaeologists also found that the people of Neolithic period, they also used polished and fine-edged tools. Here I am going to share the picture of the pit house that was found by the archaeologist in Burzahom, and these were the images of Neolithic period tools. Now the next is Neolithic tools and implements. As we have already studied that the Neolithic tools were polished and having fine edges. Along with that, they also started using some implements like mortars and pestles. These mortar and pestles were used for grinding grains, for making paste. Many of kinds of earthen pots were also found there. These pots were used to store grains, as well as these pots were also used for cooking lentils and rice. Students, we also use the mortar and pestle in present day time. Now, in most of the kitchens, we found this type of mortars and pestles. Now we are going to learn the community life. In this era, the concept of families came into being. The people started living in groups and sharing together customs, beliefs, and practices called tribe. These tribes carried out different activities like farming, herding, gathering, fishing, etc. Here, the works were divided between men, women, and children. Children also helped their parents in their work. So, in the present day time, you are also helping your parents. Maybe many of you help your mothers in the kitchen. In these tribes, some men were regarded as leaders. These tribes were also having a rich and unique cultural tradition. And in the Neolithic period, they also started worshipping the Mother Nature. Next, we are going to learn from two case studies. One is of Mehergarh, other is of Dausoli Heading. Mehergarh. This site is located in the fertile plain near the Bolan Pass. And archaeologists found that the men learned to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and the goat first here. They also found the evidences that here the people started living in square and rectangular houses, and they also found some burial sites. These burial sites where the people buried into the ground when they died. Dozali heading. This site is located on the hills near the Brahmaputra Valley. Here the archaeologists found the evidences of stone tools including mortar and pestles. They also found the traces of polished tools and ceramic kitchen items. This showed that they started growing grains and also started preparing the food. By this, your chapter is complete, students. Hope you understand each and everything. Thank you. For any doubt, you can call or text.